Here's how you can make a protein bar. Honestly, majority of the protein bars out there don't really taste all that good. They're either really chewy or has a weird aftertaste or just feels really artificial. So I thought, you know what, let's try making one at home and see if it's any better.
In a mixing bowl, add your favorite protein powder, rolled oats, a banana, peanut butter, honey, any dried fruit you like. I'm just using dates, and a pinch of salt. Give this a good mix, and then in a baking dish with some parchment paper, pat this down and leave it in the fridge to harden for a couple of hours. Chop this up into bars, and lastly, let's melt some chocolate. Dip the top of the bars into the chocolate and let this set.
It's not bad. It's a weird texture. I think the issue right now is just that raw protein powder. I think that's what's kind of throwing it off. Okay, if it wasn't for the chocolate, this would probably be a lot worse. And I did the math on this. Each bar is coming to around 17 grams of protein. But I don't know, this one also just seems a bit too chewy like the ones you get at the store. But I do like the dates in this. It's not the worst protein bar I've ever had. I've had some store-bought ones that were really bad, but this is actually, I would say it's decent. It's not the greatest, but it's definitely not the worst. I know right now I'm just going to eat this for sustenance whenever I need some extra protein, and I could also use this as a sugar craving because the honey and the dates really add that sweetness along with the chocolate. It has its pros and cons. If I had to rate this, I would give this maybe a 5.7 out of 10.